Hey everybody, it's Charles, Basil Built. Got a few minutes today. We're gonna do a small, easy upgrade on the KZ. So we get a good look at the KZ here. Still haven't done a lot over the winter. Lots of reasons: COVID, lack of income, lack of time, starting a new business, whatever. But I want to get things moving on it again, and sometimes just the small things are what you got to do. So we're gonna replace the shocks, rear shocks. As you can see, the originals are in pretty rough shape. They were painted over. The bike was pretty badly painted with like primer and everything beforehand, so they're in pretty bad shape. Let's see, not a lot of compression on them, but I could probably rebuild them, but given the condition they're in, I just didn't think it was worth it. So instead, I was looking around online, and this is a 78 KZ 650. So just options for replacement shocks are kind of limited. Either they're really expensive, $800-900, or like high-end performance, or utter garbage from eBay, which I'd have to buy and then rebuild, and would end up costing me hundreds of dollars that way. So what I did is I went to Hagon Shocks, their UK website. I looked around. They didn't have a dealer in America. They had one in, I think, Ontario, Canada, which seemed a long way to go. And so I reached out to them I emailed them, and they emailed me back pretty quickly, and we're like, okay, what kind of bike you got? What kind of riding style? How much do you weigh? What are you looking to do? And I gave them my specs and specifics, and they recommended some shocks and shipped them out to me direct with shipping. I think it cost me like $230. And that's Hagon. Let's see if you can get a good look at that. Hagon, UK. Mostly they specialize in performance shocks. These are obviously not high-end performance shocks for a couple $100, but they're gonna be a massive improvement over the stock originals from 1978, 40-plus-year-old shocks, and plus, modern technology. So this is what we got. They're nice, clean looking. They don't have the cap. There was a cap option, but I don't like the cap. And they're tunable, so they got 3 adjustment settings on those. So and they come with a wrench. So basically, it's a straight bolt-on, really simple. We're gonna take the old ones off, put the new ones on. It's a little premature because I still have to, still got to paint the bike, paint the frame, and all that stuff. But to me, it's kind of one more thing out of the way, and also kind of get the ball rolling again, moving again. As long as I'm doing something on the bike, then I'm feeling good about it. So let's do it. there you go. Easy swap, maybe you got 10, 15 minutes. Old shitty ones, brand new Hagons, they look really good. Obviously when the bike is painted and done, new tires, everything, they look a lot better, but just one little thing that I don't have to worry about anymore, it's done, and I can move forward. So I feel good about that, and just keep chipping away, one thing at a time. Peace.